So happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you from my Japanese language club in the name of A Square Academy. So we are running Japanese language club under the umbrella of A Square Academy. Like the owner of the A Square Academy, they have decided to open a lot of languages to give him the deliveries in other languages. Okay, so today I have decided to give you the best module of Japanese conversation. For example, guys, uh, see, this is a conversation because obviously you have to understand the people out. If you're in Japan and you people are saying something, so you have to understand out and you have to understand it out. Okay. So, for example, the shopkeeper will say, or you are going to a retail shop and he asks you, do you want chopsticks? Do you want spoon? Do you want straw? Give me the payment, please. Do you want receipt also? Do you need a bag, please? Are you sure you don't need a bag? So how you can understand these phrases? So today I will explain to you. Okay. So these are the common phrases if you're in Japan and you want to speak the people out and understand the people out. So this video will help you. Okay. So I hope this whiteboard is very much visible to you. Yeah. Okay. So all right. Okay. So basically, let's start with this. If I ask to you, for example, I am a shopkeeper, okay? And if I ask to you, do you want this microwave? For example, you purchase a sandwich or a burger, and I ask to you, do you want? If I ask to you, do you want this microwaved? Do you want this microwaved? It means I'm asking like, do you want to heat up your burger, your sandwich? So what I will ask to you, kochira wa speak up. Kochira wa. So my conversation in Japanese would be kochira wa atatame masu ka. Speak up. Kochira wa atatame masu ka. So I'm asking like, for example, for example, you purchased a sandwich and I am a shopkeeper. Okay, so I'm asking, do you want this microwave? So what I will say to you, so I will say, kochira wa atatame masu ka. Speak up. Kochira wa atatame masu ka. Okay, so here we have, okay, how we can write kochira? As I already explained to you in hiragana and katakana character. So we have a ko, okay, we have like this, kochi, okay, kochira. Speak up, like, make it like, because we already wrapped up the hiragana and katakana character. So here we can like do it like this. Okay, kochira wa. Make a figure like this. Okay, so here we have kochira wa atatame masu ka. So here this is my kanji portion. So make like this. Okay, is that clear to you? So this is basically a kanji. Make like this please. Okay, and here we can make like this please, because I'm trying to explain you the kanjis, hiragana and katakana also. So make a figure like this, very simple. Okay, so here we have kochira wa atatame masu ka. Is that clear to you? Atatame, or here we can make like this. Okay, atatame masu ka. Atatame masu ka. So basically, okay. So if I'm asking like this, kochira wa atatame masu ka? Speak up. So for example, if you're in Japan, okay, if you're in Japan, you are asking something like, do you want to heat this microwave? For example, I purchased a burger and I'm asking to you, do you want this microwave? So what I will say, kochira wa atatame masu ka? Speak up. Kochira wa atatame masu ka? So basically that is kochira wa atatame masu ka. If I ask to you, do you want chopsticks? Because see, if I'm speaking in English or any language, So it means you are understanding this language. So if you don't understand the language, so this conversation will help you to understand the Japanese people. Okay, so if the Japanese people asked you, do you want chopsticks? Because chopsticks is a major part. The people, most of the people, they use chopsticks to eat something. Do you want chopsticks? So what I asked you, oh Hashivo, speak up. So what I will say to you, oh Hashivo, otsu kishimasu ka? And ka is my question particle. Okay, so what I will say, oh Hashivo, otsu kishimasu ka? Otsu kishimasu ka? Is it clear to you? So if I'm asking like this, do you want this microwave? Ko chira wata me masu ka? If I'm asking like, do you want chopsticks? So what I will say, oh Hashivo, otsu kishimasu ka? Is that clear to you? Is it clear to you? Are you sure with this? So may I rub this? Alright, you have to pen down also and you have to practice for this. Okay? For example, if I ask to you, do you want spoon? If I ask to you, do you want spoon? Do you want spoon? If I ask to you, do you want spoon? Okay? So here we have spoon. Okay? वो otsukishi का simple. वो otsukishi का. Is it clear to you? Is it clear to you? So if I ask you, do you want straw? For example, if I ask you, do you want straw? If I ask you, do you want straw? So what I will say? Sotono. वो otsukishi का. Simple. Otsukishi ka. Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you? So basically, if I'm asking these things like what? Kochira bata tame maska. Do you want this microwave? Do you want the chopsticks? Oh hashi otsukeshi maska. Suppose wo otsukeshi maska. It means do you want spoon? Do you want straw? Sutoro wo otsukeshi maska. It means do you want straw? Is that clear to you? For example, if I ask to you, like, because I am, see, you are buying something from me. So if I'm asking like this, do you want me to put into this bag? For example, if I ask to you, do you want this to put into this bag? If I ask to you, do you want this to put into this bag? So what I will say, Fukuro. Okay, what I will say, Fukuro ni. Speak up, please. Do you want this to put into the bag? Fukuro ni oirishiremasu ka? Oirishimasu ka? Is that clear to you? Okay. So if I'm asking simple, oirishimasu ka? Is that clear to you? Oirishimasu ka? Fukuro ni oirishiremasu ka? It means do you want to put into this bag? If I ask to you, do you want a separate bag? Do you want a separate bag? Okay, or you can say like this, do you want this put in the bag? Okay, so if I ask to you, are you sure you don't need a bag? If I ask to you, are you sure you don't need bag? So how we can go with these type of conversation in Japanese? Are you sure you don't need bag? You do not need bag. If I ask you, are you sure you don't need bag? So what I will say? I will say, kono mama de. Speak up. Kono mama de. Mama de. Speak up. Are you sure you don't need bag? So I will use kono mama de yoroshi desu ka? Speak up. Yoroshi desu ka? So what I will use, are you sure you don't need a bag? I can say like this, konomamade yoroshi desu ka? Konomamade, speak of konomamade yoroshi desu ka? So if I'm asking, do you want to put in this bag fukoro ni yorishimashika ka? If I'm asking like, are you sure you don't need a bag? So what I will say, konomamade yoroshi desu ka? Is that clear to you? If I'm asking, do you want to use your point cards? Like whenever we shop, okay, when we shop to the grocery product big shops, so they have their point system. So I'm asking, do you want to use do you want to do you want to use your do you want to use your point card? Simple. So Japanese is very simple. Do you want to use your point card? So what I will say, pointo. Okay. So let me here. This is my Ramoji. Simple. Okay. Pointo card wa. This point card. Okay. So what I will say, pointo card wa yoroshi desu ka? Yoroshi desu ka? So if I'm asking like, do you want to put into this bag fukoro ni orishimasu ka? Are you sure you don't need a bag? That is neat. Kono mamade yoroshi desu ka? Do you want to use your point card? Pointo card wa yoroshi desu ka? Is that clear to you? Is that clear? May I rub this? Yeah? Alright. You can say hi. Hi is here. Okay? Hi. Okay? For example, we have a next point, a next conversation. If I say, do you want your receipt? For example, I can ask like this. Do you want your receipt? Do you want your receipt? So I'm asking, like, do you want a receipt? So simple. Reshito wa, very simple. Reshito wa yoroshi desu ka? Simple. Yoroshi desu ka? Simple, guys. See, the Japanese is simple, and I'm sure this video will help you to speak these things. Roshito wa yoroshi desu ka? So we have used yoroshi desu ka a lot. Lot of times we have used yoroshi desu ka. If I'm asking, like, are you sure you don't need a bag? So what I will say, konomamade yoroshi desu ka? If I'm asking, do you want to use your point card? Pointo kado wa yoroshi desu ka? So yoroshi desu ka, do you want to say roshito wa yoroshi desu ka? So this is basically my verb. Is that clear to you? Okay. So guys, this is a conversation pattern like yoroshi desu ka. Okay. I am sure guys, like if you will watch this video, your Japanese would be in the slowly and gradually you will be in the higher level of Japanese. Like you can understand the people out basically. Okay. So watch this video again and again. If you have any doubt, you can feel free to speak with me. Okay. So by the time, enjoy your Raksha Bandhan with your sisters. Okay. And the sister can enjoy with their brothers. And till the time, arigato, and sayonara. Okay. Thank you.